as well as the womenhood of other states also.
And hopeful path for how coalition politics should be functioning. How do you see his constant demand of getting coalition government?
That is his demand is going to be a demand. That's all. And I'm asking whether Congress has disintegrated in the name of power sharing or the Congress is united. And what is Rahul Gandhi is tweeting on Vijay issue. Why can't Rahul Gandhi clarify this issue? Each and everyone in his party is talking in a different way. So he's talking about Vijay and he's more bothered about Vijay than his Congress. And another thing, somebody told it is coronavirus. Who told it is? So, see, Amma, the BJP has become coronavirus. So yesterday I told you, cultural virus. You are not coronavirus. So Manik Thakur and even Veluchami, everyone is demanding. So first of all, let Rahul Gandhi and MK Stalin answer that. Instead of peeping into NDA and instead of peeping into Vijay. That is my question. No, usually Thai Pirandal Bali Pirakam, most of the people believe that Thai is also a new beginning. So he would have told, but Tamil Nadu government itself were denying the April 14th as a Tamil festival, but probably it is a Tamil festival, so he should have mentioned that. That's all I can say. I don't want to politicize it. I think no any personal motive in that, in wishing that. Like our Honorable Home Minister, the DMK is commenting because he wished Thiruvalluvar Day. It is not the problem for them that the date is different. It is a problem for them that the Home Minister has mentioned about Thiruvalluvar. And how many times your Home Minister from UPA government mentioned about Thiruvalluvar? How many times Chief Minister, Prime Minister celebrated Pongal? So 365 days are Thiruvalluvar Day for us. So we are very happy that our Honorable Home Minister wished us about Thiruvalluvar, on Thiruvalluvar, the great saint Thiruvalluvar. Yeah. 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 Yeah, because if this is the medical medical service has been advanced now. Even now they are carrying the bleeding people, going to the nearby hospital and saying that a person died or bled. Because nowadays even mobile hospitals, all the Madupidi Veerargal, you know, all these our parents will know? TAMers. TAMers, the blood group should be kept in mind. They should be checked, and immediately, if they are injured, immediately the blood can be transfused. That death should be prevented. But now they are not taking any care. Just they are taking it. Ambulance is not enough because the advancement of medical service. Now they should go. No leader, no TAMers should die. No TAMers should bleed. That is my appeal. So whole Tamil Nadu is going to be a Sanghi group because Sanghi means good culture, good habits. So what is the problem for them? Instead of joining the TASMA group, joining Sanghi group, it's healthy. And I'm asking, they are mispropagating the participation of the Tamil film stars in Delhi. But you have to say that Tamil film stars are celebrated in Delhi. Tamil film stars are celebrated by our Honorable Prime Minister in Delhi. So they are worried. We have taken Tamil to capital, but they have not even taken Tamil to their own state. Tamil Honorable Prime Minister has asked the other state people to learn Tamil. Even the students from Uttar Pradesh are learning Tamil, but Tamil Nadu students are not learning Tamil properly. It has been revealed in the High Court itself. And NEP is projected wrongly as imposition of Hindi, which endorses the Tamil language, the mother tongue education. So now the DMK Congress is in a jittery mood. And they are jittery about the NDA, and they will blabber each and every day one thing. Yes. Yes. One side they are fearing Modi, one side they are fearing Vijay. So only every day they are linking Vijay and Modi ji. Jananayagan is an isolated problem, and CBI inquiry is an isolated problem. And linking BJP with everything, that itself shows they are jittery about NDA. And they want to link everything so that they can encash the political situation towards them.